Friends, what if I told you this entire app was built in less than 10 minutes? Not a prototype or a mock-up, but a real application deployed online, connected to a database, and ready to use without writing code manually. Not long ago, building something like this required significant technical work before you could even see a working product. Today, the process looks very different. My name is Daniel, and today we're looking at Replit, a platform designed to turn ideas into real products from a simple description. In this video, we'll build a working expense tracker from scratch, publish it online, and see how much can be created without writing code manually. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. If you'd like to try Replit, use my referral link and we'll both receive $10 in credits when you upgrade to Replit Core. Let's jump right in. Folks, let's start with the basics. Replit is a platform designed to turn ideas into real products from a simple description. Instead of spending time setting up tools, configuring infrastructure, and managing separate stages of development, you can build and deploy projects from a single workspace. What makes Replit particularly interesting is that it combines AI-assisted development with the tools needed to actually launch something. The platform can help create applications, dashboards, websites, presentations, and other projects while handling much of the technical work behind the scenes. Mates, the goal isn't simply to generate code. The goal is to help you move from an idea to a working product much faster. You describe what you want to build, and the agent handles much of the work required to turn that idea into a real product. That's why Replit feels different from traditional development tools. Instead of focusing on code first, it focuses on helping you turn ideas into real product. Friends, inside Replit, this is the main workspace. The interface is intentionally simple. In the center, there's a single input box where you describe what you want to create. You can also start from a variety of built-in templates, making it easy to create different types of projects from a single workspace. And honestly, that's one of the most interesting parts of Replit. In the past, many of these tasks required separate tools and often separate specialists. Here, everything happens on a single platform, with a single AI agent handling the process from start to finish. Folks, for this demonstration, I want to build an expense tracker application, so I submit the request, and the agent immediately gets to work. What's interesting is that it doesn't simply generate code and stop, it actually shows its thinking process. First, it plans the application architecture, outlines the API structure, and creates a list of actions. You can see the status changing to working while the project is being built. This is also where one of Replit's biggest advantages becomes visible. The agent can work on multiple tasks in parallel. Mates, while one task is building the front end, which is everything the user sees, another is working on the backend, which powers the application behind the scenes. On the right side, we have a live preview area where the finished application will appear. And while that preview is loading, the agent continues building. Another thing worth noting is that when errors appear, the agent identifies and fixes them automatically. In a traditional development workflow, coordinating and fixing issues across multiple contributors can take significant time. Here, the agent continuously monitors the project and resolves problems as it goes. And as you can see, it completes the build. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. The application is already available as a working output, and the agent is even suggesting possible next features that could be added later. Now let's look at what was actually built. This entire application took roughly 6 minutes to create. Friends, right away, we can see a dashboard showing a monthly summary with 6 transactions and a total amount spent. These aren't static numbers. They are stored inside a real database connected to the application. For a first version, that's already a very solid result. On the left side, we have a monthly spending chart showing expenses across different months. Without writing a single line of code ourselves, the agent selected the chart type, labels, colors, and layout automatically. Mates, on the right side, we have a category breakdown chart. Food represents 52% of spending, while shopping accounts for 37%. At a glance, you can immediately understand where the money is going. And that's exactly what makes this useful. This isn't a mockup or a design concept, it's a real application. We can add a new expense, enter an amount, submit it, and watch the dashboard update immediately. The new transaction appears in the list, and the totals change automatically. That's the difference between a demo and a real product. Guys, Replit didn't generate a picture of an app. It generated an application with a database, SQL-powered storage, live charts, and working business logic. Next, let's open the expense tracker page, where we can see the complete list of expenses, along with filters for both categories and months. Everything we originally requested in a single sentence has been implemented automatically. Folks, now let's publish the application. With a single click on Publish, Replit starts deploying it to a live URL through several automated deployment stages. The application is built, bundled, and promoted through a complete deployment pipeline. A few moments later, the application is live. Replit automatically provisions the infrastructure required to run it, and we can see the deployment resources that support the application. There's also an automatic security scan that checks whether the code is safe. Build, bundle, and promote represent the final deployment workflow that takes the project from development to production. Friends, once deployed, we can review logs, monitor the application, redeploy updates, manage domains, connect our own custom domain, and access additional project settings. And of course, we can open the application directly from the dashboard and use it through the public URL. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at pricing. Since Replit offers 4 plans for different types of users. The starter plan is completely free. It includes daily credits, access to the agent, a built-in database, and the ability to publish one project. It's a great way to test the platform and see whether it fits your workflow. Mate's Replit Core starts at $20 per month and is designed for users building more serious projects. It includes 2 agents running in parallel, unlimited workspaces, and deployment to regions around the world. This is the plan I'm using in today's example. Replit Pro costs $100 per month and is designed for commercial projects. It supports up to 10 parallel agents, 15 collaborators, and access to the most advanced models. It also includes database rollback for up to 28 days, which acts almost like a time machine for your data. Folks, finally, Enterprise provides custom solutions for larger organizations with specialized requirements. But the most important thing is that you can get started right now for free and see what you can build from a simple idea. Guys, after building and deploying a real application from scratch, what stood out most was how quickly an idea became a working product. Instead of getting caught up in technical complexity, the process starts with a simple description and quickly turns into something you can actually use. Throughout this demo, Replit handled the planning, development, debugging, and deployment while I focused on the outcome. I personally find Replit impressive from a product creation perspective, but whether it's the right fit for you is completely your decision. Hopefully, this walkthrough gave you a clear picture of what's possible today and how quickly an idea can become a real product. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description for more information. If you'd like to try Replit, you can also use my referral link and receive $10 in credits when you upgrade to Replit Core. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.